Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to our beautiful fish room on Tropical Discovery. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new build and how we completely rescaped the aquarium which is behind me. It's a 45 centimeter tank. We have finished with the whole rescape and it's looking amazing. In fact, it's looking better than all the aquariums I have in my tank room over here. So hopefully you guys will enjoy watching this build and see how we did it. Also, before we move into that, I want to explain a little bit in why I did it and why we completely reset the tank. So the soil that we were using in this aquarium was one of the first purchases we ever made when we started the hobby of planted tanks. And the soil has been there for a very long time and it's already run out of all the nutrition that it could provide to the plants. And that's the only reason. And being root feeders, if you have stem plants, they need to have good soil over there that can provide nutrition. Even if you dose fertilizers, sometimes that also wouldn't suffice for them. And because of the stunted growth that the plants were having and the degrade in the quality of the plants, I decided to rescape the tank. So we have changed the entire soil. We have added some new hardscape to it, rocks and driftwood, and also a few new plants to the scape. So hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you give us a subscribe. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Alright, so first things first, I need to get all this stuff out of the tank. We will lay down a first layer of aqua soil. So for this scape, I'm using the ADA Amazonia aqua soil, which is version 2. And it also comes with some free nutrient capsules, which I'll show you later, which is really good for nutrition, especially for our root feeders, which were suffering in my previous tank. So hopefully this time, with the new soil and all those nutrient caps and everything like that, it should be doing amazing, like this tank over here was doing. My lights are still off, but once it comes on, I'll show you guys. Anyway, so I need to get this wood piece out. It's actually 2 pieces of wood together. So I need to stick it together, make sure it's secure. And most probably it's going to float. So I need to make sure I stick it to another piece of rock at the bottom so it stays down. And I need to also wash it. All right, so let me get that done. And then once we are ready to, get the first layer of soil in, I'll show you guys what we are doing.